Hi folks, this is an acrylic painting. I keep doing these coasts for Patreon. Quite a limited palette. I quite like the sky there, the heaviness over the light background. Plenty of colour in the cliffs. It could be Cornwall, it could be bits of the Isle of Wight, it could be anywhere in the UK. Scotland. Just a coast, just a very rough, quick demonstration, a tutorial for those that like acrylic. I should have probably gone up. That was a bit of sky there, but I sort of covered it up a bit. But it was fun to do. The thing about knife painting with acrylic is that the acrylic dries very quickly, and you have to work fast and don't be too ambitious with the size of the painting. But you can work thin, but if the paint dries and you've used sort of slabby paint like mine, it will give you an edge, and it'll be difficult to paint over it, like if you did it the following day to carry on with it. These things are best started and finished in one go, alla prima. That's my feeling on it anyway. But you can buy a texture paste. I used to buy it from a company called Spectrum. They produce a very good range of paints, very fine paints. And I used to buy litre pots of it, but I don't use it now. Go straight in. It all makes it too expensive really. It's not cheap not to buy that amount in one go. And if you don't use it over a year or so, it will gradually go hard. So you've got to use the stuff to make it worthwhile. But it's a great additive. I used to use texture paste on boards for oil painting to give a surface underneath to paint over. And because it dries quickly, being acrylic, you can stipple where your trees are going. That's stipple with the texture paste all over the board or whatever you're painting on. And it was great fun. Well, I hope you like this little one. I'll get it uploaded and see you soon. Bye bye folks.